Speaker, I support this amendment, and I want to re-emphasize that the National Treasury must not allocate any further resources to the State Department for private universities without the prior approval of this House, so that the forensic audit we sought from the CS is tabled before this House. It is checked by the Public Investments Committee in charge of education, which the Honorable Amboka sits in, and I am glad that the Honorable Amboka, being, I think, is even the chair of the Public Investments Committee in charge of education, has taken up this matter with the energy that it deserves. And Honorable Amboka, I want to encourage you, that is what is meaningful oversight. Oversight in government is not shouting in funerals. It is doing what you are doing. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Before we put out the question, I'll give the member for Dagoretti South.
Madam Chair, because I wouldn't want to delay anyone on this debate, mine is to support the amendment. And Madam Chair, why it is important to support this amendment is because we as Kenyans already know what happened to health services in this country. The moment we support private entities at the expense of public entities, that is the day we start walking down the road of killing our public entities. Government's work is to support public institutions, public investments, public entities. Government is not here to support private entities. So, Madam Speaker, I want to congratulate the mover of this amendment, and I support it, Madam Speaker. Thank you very much.